If your eBay sales are slow and you feel like your store just isn't moving, I was in the exact same spot recently. Instead of guessing or changing just a bunch of random things, I did this one simple thing that helped a ton, and it also gave me real data on what was actually going on. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, why I did it, and how you can use the same approach to kickstart your own sales. Let's get into it. So, I am going to show you my seller hub here. Basically, what this is I want you to go to under eBay, go to selling, and then you will get this seller hub, and then you go to performance, and then actually go to traffic here. So when I was looking at my slow sales, I looked at a few different things. So November, December was obviously very good for me. We sold a ton of different stuff. And then when we got into the first few weeks of January, basically the whole month of January, we didn't sell basically anything. And so one thing I did is I went in here and I looked at the impressions. So basically, impressions are anytime a product is shown on the screen to a user. And you can tell here, like, there isn't a huge drop. Like, the visibility is not, decreasing by a whole lot here. Items are still being shown to users. And so that the visibility wasn't a problem. I do promote at like 3%. So gives me a little bit of a extra edge here that's like those two different colors here, promoted and organic. So at this point, I was thinking, okay, visibility is there. Visibility is not the problem. What else can I try? So what I was thinking is I went to the discounts tab. So how you get here is you go to my eBay and then you go to selling and then go to marketing and then go down to discounts. So from a high level, what I did is I created a blanket 10% off of all of my items. No matter what, just a blanket 10%. Um, and the reason I did that is because we have a pretty large store, probably over 1,000 items. We don't go in and change the prices ever. And so occasionally we do these discounts. It didn't really help the last time we did it, but for this time it really did. So this is a 10% discount. How you do that is you go into this create discount piece here, and then you're going to create a sale event. I'm not going to actually do this. But what I did is I just did percentage off each item, 10%. You can choose the start date, etc. You can make a name for your promotion. And then you can do like a rule based or manual. I just did all inventory here and then I launched it. And so as soon as we did that, it increased our sales by a ton. So you can see here, this is like the discount we ran in the sale event or whatever. But if you look at this performance tab here, this is like the section I was talking about where towards the end of January, February, we were just like, there was days where we weren't making any sales, which is pretty concerning. And so you can tell after we made that blanket 10% off, sales actually increased. So what I'm trying to say here is try I think you can do a 5%. We just did a 10%. Just try it. If you have a lot of items in your store, your pricing might be outdated or old and people are undercutting you. It did truly help kickstart our process here. So I just wanted to share this because we were feeling a little stuck, weren't selling a lot, kind of disheartened, and this really helped kick drive the process. So what I would say here is sometimes your pricing is a little off. When you're listing, you can sometimes get a little trigger happy with like, oh, I think I'm going to make $40, but really like the price is $35 that someone's willing to pay. That's another reason we have offers on, so that we can take a close offer if it comes in. So Hope this helps. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.